This over $3,000 gaming PC just came to the shop because it's been experiencing blue screen after blue screen and all kinds of problems, so let's get it fixed. See, because I wasn't able to recreate the blue screens that our customers getting on a consistent basis, I went ahead and opened up reliability history, which actually shows us what's been going on with the system. As if you look at all of these little red X's, those are actually events where something's gone wrong with the computer. And if we actually look back to yesterday, we could see that our customer was getting these hardware errors. And this one is the live kernel event 141 error code, which is typically related either to the CPU or memory of the system in most cases. And that's the exact same hardware error that happened the day before, the same live kernel event 141. So let's go ahead and test the RAM modules and CPU at the same time by using a really cool tool called memtest86 that I have installed on this USB flash drive, which we can plug into the back of the computer, which on the next restart allows us to actually boot the system over to the memtest86 tool, which will run a variety of tests testing the memory modules inside the system as well as the memory controller on that CPU, which within the first pass has already found multiple errors with the memory modules. So now that we know that it is memory related, let's go ahead and determine a couple things. If one of these modules is bad, or if it just happens to be the speed that these memory modules are running at. So I was going to turn off the XMP profile when I realized what's going on here. Look at the XMP profile. That's rated at 6,800 megatransfers per second, when these modules are only rated at 6,600. That you can see right there. So what that means is that this motherboard is actually overclocking these RAM modules past what they're actually rated for. So what we can do to fix this is change that XMP profile to the proper one for these modules by going down to advanced mode, going to AI tweaker, and under XMP, selecting the proper speed at 6,600 megatransfers. Now if we go ahead and just save and exit and rerun memtest86, we'll see that we're actually past the test that caught this RAM up beforehand because we're running at the proper speed, which I believe has just fixed the issue. But just to be safe, I let the system finish the test, and wouldn't you look at that, the system completely passed. So with the proper RAM speed, this PC is now completely stable, no longer blue screening or getting any kind of error. So all we gotta do now is clean up the filth inside of this system as soon as it stops raining, and we can get this PC back to our customer.